How old you dey? You don't begin the open leg. I think say you be virgin. Very useless human being. Like I said, the idiot will give you belly. If I don't come out in neck today, make God take my life. I shower now you be. You don't know who you open leg for. You see your life, you are a shame. Your mother would never be disappointed in you for grave. Idiot!
Mr. Man.
No what?
How are you?
Excuse me.
Sorry to intrude. Are you the father of this beautiful young lady?
You know if you
Welcome.
My brother. My brother. One thing about you see children. I don't notice say children are gift from God.
Okay. Very true.
You understand?
Very true.
What is the joy of a father? Not be to get grandchildren.
Mr. Man, why are you here with this cutlass?
Not be cutlass be this oh. Not be cutlass oh. My brother, you don't know say this girl is very industrious. As you see this girl na cake way in the bake, you know get type of cake way no go fit bake. Ngwa look. Not be juju be that. Na cake.
Oh,
see am na.
it's a cake.
Na cake na.
You scared me, oh. And I saw you coming with cutlass like this.
No, not be cutlass.
Oh, no.
You are a child of light, aka a mole.
Yeah, welcome. It's good to see that you're happy. Because me, when I heard this story, I was very, very sad.
What are you they sad for? No, that you not be small kid. You don't reach me small children, they run inside this compound.
No, I know. She's actually very attractive. But anyways, let me call my gate man.
Call her, make a servers drink, make we eat the cake. What's in there?
No, he is actually the father of the child. Ebuka!
This is nothing but a man joke.
Ebuka!
Hold this man in the first place.
Oh! Who be this bastard?
Ebuka, come and meet your in-law.
Jesus.
Oh, okay. I mean give her belly.
Sir, like you said, you know, children are gifts from God. Let's go inside and celebrate with the king.
It is not well with my soul. It is not well with my soul. It is not well. Well, it is not well with my soul.
The man them too inconsiderate, 5-star hotel smoking cigarette mixing.
Just one person.
Thank you very much, sir. We are so excited to see you today, sir.
Sir,
we heard that you are the most current richest footballer.
Perfect.
But sir, you are earning £100,000 in a week. Yes. Sir, how is this possible?
Through me playing and betting.
Really?
In that match, I played Dino to get red card in 1 minute.
That's astonishing.
Jesus.
Man, cash up.
And I won £100 million.
Wow.
In another match, I played Dino to wear native to the field.
What is that?
What is the meaning of this? Traditional.
And I staked £50 million and I won £200 million. Amazing grace.
But sir, how are you? Just these 2 games.
No, I also played Dino to smoke shisha on the field.
Jehovah Jesus!
And I won £400 million.
Wow, impressive.
Do you know what?
Oh, sir.
I played referee to get injury. And I won, can you guess?
No, sir.
£700 million.
But sir, how are you? There's an ongoing match going on right now. Yes. And I bet Dino to score 1.
I played Dino to miss that match. That's why I'm here.
Sir, I just confirm your signing. There's up by you. Book the nearest flight. Where's my phone? Answer. I'm on the lineup for tomorrow match.
Very good.
Dino to score 3 own goal.
It is finished. 3.2 million hot.
How much I go put?
When even the opponents fail to score, Maguire will score for them.
Bro, you know see my girl.
Am I supposed to see her?
That's what I do for you.
She dey fine normal, so?
Not be even about the beauty.
Like as a man, you know, see, if you walk up as woman, you can just check back, say, this yansh big go, you know, big go, you understand? You know, now my girl, and she get yansh, you see, she get yansh, but actually, you know, they are mixed as you.
Nyash. Now this flat thing, they call Nyash.
Who are you?
This one we flat like signboard.
Some of you are just evil. Some of you are worse than Hitler.
Babe, what's wrong? Is everything okay?
Let's have it.
I'm done with you.
I don't get done.
Let's get up. Bruno.
This man.
Baby, don't whine when you see them.
Wait, listen, is that not your ex-boyfriend? Where?
Hey! I beg, why not you go wahala?
What's wrong with you? Don't follow me around. I'm done with this relationship. I moved on.
Really, nigga?
Oh, so you think I'm one of those girls that you can have anytime you want? Let me disappoint you. Nothing is ever going to happen between us.
Access granted.
What be this?
Like this? Why you like this? No, I don't like all these things.
You know how to get my mumu button.
Are you talking?
How about my bro?
Oh my guy.
I be my borrow your gas, maize and rush cook beans.
You the rush cook beans. Come on, hand.
You don't catch me.
Bad guy.
Jesus.
Baby,
Yeah,
I'm
yes,
so
ma'am.
excited.
Oh, I'm excited.
Are you
too.
not happy to meet my dad?
Let him confess. I'll decide if I'll be happy.
That's my
My daughter.
daddy.
Why your papa the wish shepherd?
My son. The gods of Icho have accepted you.
Icho, thank you. You know person.
What be this?
Babe, you know tell me say your papa the write book.
Book. This is my bride price now.
When no be say I come gym.
Just a play.
Maybe it's just big. It might be cheap. you want to prank me? I love your daughter. You want to prank me?
God, please let it be prank. Let it be prank. 140 million.
Jesus.
For Ogechi. This Ogechi. If you notice where this Ogechi they do, I prepare not at 25. Now, Icho, this one joke. I'm not doing again. So I take.
The God have accepted you. Why the shout? You told me this man has money. Are you not doing forex?
Am I doing forex? Is it my money I'm used to do forex? Don't you know about consummate traders? Yes, it's a company that gives forex traders money to trade. They fund you, you trade, and they pay you bi-weekly.
Ezioku. So I can do it?
Yes, of course. Before you kill somebody with price, all you have to do is click link in my bio, you sign up, you go to get funded, they fund you, you start trading, and they pay you bi-weekly. That's all. That's how the founders, Jeffrey Benson and Abby Forex, that's how they make their money now.
Wonderful.
Yes. See you later. Bye. Where are you going?
The gods have accepted you must marry her.
I'm going to punish the gods.
God go punish you too.
You know what? Now you be God of it too. You for no happy. Oh. What do you mean? Now you go marry Ogechi.
Icho,
How dare you?
My in-law.
My son.
Happy married life.
ilo ma pa mi na.
Ode.